How to install the magnetic plug that came with your case on the new iPhone 14. So this year we added two plugs to our cases for both the rugged and the crystal. One is non-magnetic, so you can wireless charge right out of the box, and one's magnetic. So the magnetic plug, if you're a current ROKFORM customer, you know how handy this is, and so we supply it with this new kit, and I'm going to show you how to install it. It's really easy. On the crystal case, the magnetic plug is clear, and what you're going to do is you're going to pop it out from the back using 2 fingers, and the phone has to be out of the case, otherwise this won't work. So the phone's out of the case, 2 fingers, pops out with a small click. You flip it over, and you take your magnetic plug, and with the magnet facing up, you just twist it. It'll go in anyway, but it looks better if it's facing up. And push it in with a click, and that's how you do it with the crystal case. Same procedure with the rugged case. Just pop it out, set it aside, flip it over, put your plug in, hear a little click, and that's it. So that's the installation on the rugged and the crystal case for the new iPhone 14 of the magnetic plug and the non-magnetic plug.